In this video, we're going to be replacing the blower motor resistor in a 2003 Acura TL Type-S. This repair addresses the issue of a blower motor not turning on. When you turn on the climate control system, you can hear the compressor under the hood engage, but no cold air will blow out of the vents. Even when you turn the fan on max speed, nothing happens. This is a common issue that affects a lot of Acura TLs and other Honda and Acura models. Now remember, follow my advice at your own risk. I am not a mechanic, I'm just a guy on the internet telling you my experience, so my advice is worth exactly what you paid for it. But this has worked for me and it's worked for a lot of other people as well. The first step is to look under the hood and just make sure that a fuse is not blown for the blower motor. On my car, the fuse box is located under the hood against the firewall. Look at the little chart underneath to see which fuse is for the blower motor. The fuse in my car looks great, so let's look at the blower motor itself. The blower motor is located underneath the glove compartment on the passenger side. The next thing you'll want to do is inspect the cables. Disconnect the cables and make sure there's no corrosion. I disconnect the harness on my car and look at the connector. It's in good shape, so that's not the issue. Here's an example of one that's in bad shape. This was sent in by an Acura TL owner who noticed the connector had completely melted. So in this case, you'll have to replace the harness. Looking behind the blower motor, you'll see this white trapezoidal piece. This is the actual blower motor resistor. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove these two screws. Pull the resistor down and have a look at it. You'll see some crud here. I don't know if that's related to it not working, but this is the piece that we're going to replace. You can purchase this resistor for a little over 40 bucks at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or any online store. Once you have the new part, simply connect it and put it back in place. Put the screws back in and give the climate control system a test. It should work perfectly now. If this does not fix your issue, you may want to continue researching or take your car to a professional mechanic. Hope you guys found this video useful. If this fix worked for you, leave a comment below or give the video a thumbs up. Also check out JoshsWorld.com for more details and more comments about other users' experience with this problem. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.